All right, so this is the method that we like to use to stay in sync when going from your final edit and your editing software like Premiere and going into our software that we use for sound, which is Pro Tools. So the first thing that you're going to find is that your session is probably just going to start at 0000000. We're going to change that. So we go to the start time. Let me just grab the window. Here we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to change that to be 59 minutes. So not 59 minutes of nothing happening, but actually just changing the start time. So when I hit OK, you see it just now starts at 59 minutes. Perfect. So the reason we do this is because we're going to want to slide the final picture over to exactly 1 hour. Again, this is all for sync purposes, so we have exact numbers to follow. So I'm going to just punch that in. Perfect. And then you just slide the final, color corrected version or whatever you're working with. Basically, it should start exactly at 1 hour. Okay, so now I'm just going to pop some bars and tones in there, and you can generate these pretty easily by doing HD bars and tone in Premiere if that's the program you're using. But I'm going to make those last from 59 minutes all the way to 59 minutes and 30 seconds. So 30 seconds total. This is basically what it would look like, is that just bars and tones going, and there's a 1K tone going at the exact same time as this, everyone's favorite sound. Okay, so now what we're going to do is just bring in a counting leader, countdown, whatever you want to call it, but there's a universal counting leader in Premiere. This is what it looks like. The countdown basically starts at 8, and the very important thing is that it goes down to 2. So I'm going to make sure that I just ease that in, and you'll see, boom, there we go. 2 looks a little bit different. It's a 1 frame 2 visually, and it's also going to be a 1 frame pop at 59:58. So that's the very important number. It's got to be 59:58. Now when we go forward, we're right back to where we started at our 1 hour mark for our first frame of picture, and this is maybe what it looks like. So you'll see that both time codes are in sync. It's 1 hour on the actual burn-in of the picture and 1 hour in your sequence. And that's basically the setup of how you do it. From there, we'll bounce out an AAF or an OMF.